Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday to you. Oh, sino muna? Si Abby.
Happy birthday, Lola! Thank you for all the things that you do for us. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola. I hope you have a wonderful birthday and the Lord keeps you strong, and thank you for always cooking for us when we come over, and enjoy the rest of your day. Love you.
Hi Lola! Jason po. And happy birthday, wishing you the best wishes and all the blessings, and thank you for everything that you have done for us, and we thank you for all the blessings that you have given us. Thank you for being a part of our lives. Hope you have a great day on your birthday, and I wish you all the best.
Ma, happy birthday! Salamat sa lahat-lahat at salamat meron kaming nanay na nagbigay ng magandang halimbawa. At nagpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon sa buhay mo at sa birthday mo ngayon. Sana marami pang birthday, ha? Happy birthday!
Ma, happy birthday kay Kane! At masaya kami kasi mag-celebrate kaming birthday mo at saka salamat kay Tangega na ganang giyawa mo para kaya kami, para may punta kami kay King States at kaya luto mo kaya kami ang pong pamamaya mong ega na ganang kailangan nila. So, happy birthday! Kaluguranda ka! Alright, sana maging masaya ang birthday mo po itatang na. Okay.
Bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday to you.